What's up, everybody? This is Clint with Never Done Industries, and today I got a new toy, a new tool actually for Never Done Industries, and I'll show you why. So this is the 71 F100 that we are building for my kids, right? The father-son's truck build. You can go ahead and look down it. For those of you who aren't familiar, search father-son's truck build on YouTube. We have a whole bunch of videos. We're documenting this entire build, okay? So one of the things that I'm going to be doing very soon is I'm going to be changing out these bars right here to some heavier duty cool guy off-road rock crawler style bars to go along with the suspension lift kit that's on this truck. Anyway, I don't just want to undo those and then get slapped by that bar or anything, and so I wanted to come up with a way to lift the vehicle and then put jack stands under the frame, right? So that it was going to be safe. Well, the truck has a lift on it, and so it's a pain in the butt, right? Like a jack stand, a regular jack stand is not going to reach, a floor jack's not going to reach, any of that kind of stuff. So here's what I did. I searched all over the internet and I found something. It is by Sunco. No, they're not sponsoring this video, and they're not paying me anything like that. I had to pay retail for these things, okay? Anyway, I find these Sunco floor jacks, right? Jack stands, I mean, not floor jacks, jack stands that are 10 ton, and they're called a high height. They have a low, a mid, and a high. And I have them right here. I just barely got them in the mail from UPS or FedEx or whoever it was. Anyway, look how tall that box is. I'm 6'3", okay? So, I've not pulled them out yet. I did open the box already and look in there. That's why I'm doing this video. I want to show you guys these things. These things are monsters. So for those of you guys who have lifted trucks out there, I know guys, you know, they stack up cinder blocks and boards and all this crap. Don't do that. That's not safe. People get killed that way. Check this out. Oh my gosh, it's heavy too. Maybe. We're going to do it a different way. Look at those monsters. I don't know what the heck they're hooked to. Look at those freaking things. There. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a jack stand. 10 ton. Look how thick that freaking thing is. That's like 3/8 steel. Solid, solid, solid. And the feet. Oh my gosh. I don't want you guys to have to sit there while I mess with that. Anyway, it's a super, super heavy duty piece. And then in here, oh my gosh. Into the business end here. Oh, don't grab those on your toes. Crap. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is humongous. Oh my gosh, I don't know what size that is. That's a big piece of pipe. What's heavy too? That pipe, that's a 3-inch outside diameter pipe. It's a beast. A beast. Look at these. It's got this big freaking, that's a solid steel plate across the top. We got steel sides. Goes in like this. Right? Don't put your fingies in there, boys and girls. And then we got the pins. Ooh-wee! Look at those beasts. Those are like 1/2-inch freaking solid steel pins. Those look like they're stainless. So, look at this. I don't know where you go from. I think you go up here. I don't know. I'll have to look into that. Okay, I'm 6'3". I'm tripping on my toes here. That, assuming that that is where that pins, I think it is. That freaking jack stand is like 47 inches tall. So you guys that have the big lifted trucks like we like to play with, here's an option for you. I think I only paid like $299 or something like that. These are the only ones I could find that went up that big. There's probably other ones out there. I don't know. These are the only ones I could find that were even remotely close to being not a huge commercial deal that was way expensive. So, if you guys have anything to say, comment below. Like the video because these are freaking sweet. If you would like to stay up to date on all of our future videos, then please subscribe and hit the little bell icon. Thank you very much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.